Hey, I'm Hunter from SkillThrive, and in this video, I'm reviewing 7 design tools and resources I can't live without. But before we get started, make sure you let us know what your favorite design tools are in the comments below. I'll be picking one lucky winner to win this SkillThrive t-shirt. Now, with that out of the way, let's get started. I love typography inspiration, so first on my list is fontsinuse.com. This website has a massive collection of design projects from real-world examples. Plus, every project lists the exact fonts used and provides links to where you can get the fonts. The only downside is that the fonts are often paid fonts, which can quickly get expensive. So for those of us on a budget, I'll move on to the next resource I can't live without, FontJoy.com. FontJoy uses machine learning to automatically generate beautiful Google font pairings. I love that the interface is clean, easy to use, and thoughtful. For example, you can quickly switch between light and dark mode to compare contrast, and you can also lock a font that you like and continue generating fonts that pair well with those locked choices. Next on my list is Streamline Icons. Icon packs are everywhere, but in my opinion, none of them come close to Streamline. The icons are clean and modern, and I can always find something that works for my designs. And that's because Streamline has over 10,000 icons in 3 different weights, totaling over 30,000 choices. That may seem a bit overwhelming, but all the icons can easily be searched for on their site. However, the collection size and convenience comes at a price. But for those of us looking for a free option, I would suggest BoxIcons.com. This icon set is open source and currently features over 1,200 icons. The designs of these icons catch my eye because they're simple and well designed. It's also incredibly easy to incorporate them into a web design project, and there are plenty of options to customize the icons with sizing, rotating, flipping, and animating. Next up on my list is Figma.com. I made the switch to Figma from Sketch last year and haven't turned back. It offers all the design and prototyping tools I need, plus I haven't had to worry about saving a design file on my computer in a very long time. It's all automatically saved and versioned in the cloud. Figma also took a massive leap forward with the release of the plugin ecosystem last year. Whether I want to add text on a path, create a random blob shape, or quickly access free stock photos from Unsplash.com, there's a growing list of options to help supercharge Figma. And they have a generous free tier. It includes 30-day versioning, unlimited files and drafts, and 3 projects that can help me organize files and work with other team members on key projects. Next up on the list is Coolors.co. Coolors is my go-to color palette tool. Not only do they have a massive list of color palettes from their community that you can explore, but their color palette generator is next to none. You start with a random color palette that you can quickly refresh by hitting the spacebar. When you do finally find a color you like, you can easily lock it, and the remaining colors are then picked based off the locked values. There's also tools for exploring alternate shades, adjusting hue and saturation, and defaulting to monochromatic outputs. Once you're done, you can add it to your library for reference later. Last on my list is a staple in the design community, Dribbble.com. Every morning I scroll through the feed of the designers I follow before switching over to the popular posts in the web design tab. I would suggest spending time liking, leaving quality comments, and following other Dribblers. Like most online communities, you get the most out of it when you put time in being active and engaged. And that's it. Those are my top 7 design tools and resources that I can't live without. And don't forget to let us know what your top picks are in the comments below, because I'll be picking one lucky winner to win a SkillThrive t-shirt. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more development and design tutorials. Again, I'm Hunter from SkillThrive, and I'll see you in the next video.